Hey, it's Kelly again, Kelly's Staging Creations. This is how we stage. Oh, look. We just drop it on the floor. Oh, that's good. Hey, how'd you do this table? Tell the people why you did the table like this. Come on, Gail. This is Gail the Gaelizer. How'd you Gaelize it?
I love color. I love texture. So, inexpensive items just add so much life to tables. And, I mean, you don't have to even have anything that would even be appropriate for the table, but it'll look great. Like
such as?
Over there, I used,
let's see. Hey Gail, tell America why you don't wear makeup for 3 million viewers. Teasing. I don't have any on either.
Like here, I used
like me,
two
no makeup either.
and made it into a wine bottle area.
That is great.
And so.
And then you just kind of built it. Just added just the greens.
Yep.
Oh look, so you can drink wine and you can play. Hello.
Yeah,
Happy trails to you. Isn't there a wine song we can do with that? So we're building that.
We're building. We're not done here. So
okay.
Just go back and forth.
And then tell me what you did up in these kitchens. Tell me about these kitchen on these shelves up here. Might have to put some light on the subject.
Plant shelves should be utilized.
And it's not real heavy, is it?
No, not heavy. Not at all.
I like that. Because what we like to do is just build it. We have to give breathing room. Everything needs breathing room. Breathing room, color. It's the ambiance.
We still have a few little tweaks to make, but
and we're staging. We're not decorating. It's a big difference. Hi, Chloe. How are you? What are you doing?
Perfect. I found the crown for you. It looks just right.
Thanks. Oh yeah, perfect. Hello. That was embarrassing. Okay. and we're finding the living room and the family room. We started to lay out. Remember we were telling you about that blank wall? Well, we're going to put the mirror there. We changed our minds and put it here. We're going to actually hang it one of these days. But we wanted to reflect over here, the sliding glass doors. There's the lake. Bring that view back into the room. And then here we're just creating, just a nice eclectic fun piece. We're going to put some fun color art there. But remember we told you this used to be the bridge table area? Well, we made it into a great seating area. More open, it's going to appeal to a broader range of buyers. We're not finished with the greenery, of course. But what we want to do is say, come sit here, you can look outside, conversation area. But more people can see themselves here than specialized, like I was saying, where we used to be like a bridge table area. And then I love how this is open. What we wanted was open into the kitchen over here, open into the eating area. We're making that. Oh, love the crown. Cute, Chloe. Thanks. Bye.